Hi guys, welcome to LikingHiking, and today I'll be showing you some new gear that I'm going to be testing out this month. So first off, I've got a new water bladder, which is 3 litres instead of 2 litres, because I was using a collapsible drink bottle last time on my last hike and it broke. I was looking for another one of a similar design but made out of more like silicone material, I think, so it wouldn't get a hole in it, but couldn't find anything. So I decided I would just buy a bigger bladder and that would solve that problem. So hopefully I don't have to fill it up to 3 litres full capacity very often, but it is there if I need it. Something else new that I'm adding to my setup is a dry bag compression sack, because now it's coming much more into winter. I'm a bit worried with some of the rain, my sleeping bag getting wet, because I have had that happen before, so I bought a dry bag for it, so that will be protected. Also, if my water bladder leaks again like it did on my Walk the York hike, which I'll link the video to up here, then my sleeping bag won't get wet. The next thing I have, which I'm adding to my setup, is some aluminium tent stakes. So again, lots of the gear I buy is to improve on the experience I had last time. So it was really windy and I had to borrow someone else's tent pegs, so I decided to get my own this time just in case, because normally I just put the pack in the tent and it's fine, but when it is really windy, because the freestanding tent kind of like collapses in on itself, which is like not ideal. Alright, on to clothing. So with some slightly cooler weather but still not cold weather coming in, I decided to get some more like transitional clothing. So I have bought some hiking pants with the zip off legs, so you can just zip them off and they become shorts, because I thought it's probably going to be hot-ish come like midday time but cold in the mornings and in the afternoons, so I bought the can do two things thing. There we go. And then pack that away and have shorts. Because it's getting colder, I decided it was time to get the merino wool base layers so that I don't get cold, especially in the night, because I get so cold at night, even with my -5-degree sleeping bag. My final clothing item is just a fleece jacket. The good thing about the fleece, if it gets wet, it will still keep me warm, which hopefully I won't get too wet. But anyway, it's there and it's so warm and soft. Okay, so then I have 2 more pieces of gear that I'm trying out this month. So I have, dun dun dun, there's a big one for me because I was like against them to start with, but now I've decided I'm going to try them out. Trekking poles. So I don't know, they were on sale and I thought, I can't say that I hate them if I haven't used them before. So I'm going to give them a go and see. I think, to be honest, I think especially in the more like hillier trails that we do, these might actually be worth it. But we'll see. I don't know. I'm going to test it out and we will see. The final piece of gear is something really important, and I'm really glad I bought it, and I think it is worth all the money that I spent on it. But it's something that brings a lot of peace of mind to me and to the people at home. So it is a personal locator beacon and armband. So the armband is just so you can wear it. Probably won't wear it all the time, but like if I was doing like a creek crossing or something that was like maybe a bit sketchy or something, I don't know, and then I might wear it. So this lasts 10 years, I think, on the battery if you don't use it. There's no subscription fees, and it is also GPS enabled so that it like within a range of like 3 meters or something, and like constantly updates if you use it to the emergency people who are coming looking for you. So I thought this was the best one for me. And then I think after 10 years, you just get the battery replaced and you can use it for another 10 years or something. I don't really know. 10 years is a long way away. So it has a neck strap attachment, which comes with it, which I thought was supposed to have a whistle on it. Oh, hang on guys. Oh, that's not a whistle. What's the go here? Oh, hang on, I had it upside down. I don't know how you're supposed to get emergency service attention with this. Ah, there we go. Well, there you go, that's handy. Alright, so, no? Yep. Alright, so that must just hang off. It's like one of those lanyard things. Could probably fit it in my pocket. Anyway, I don't know. Be it as it may. So all I have to do is go online to the website and register this with the government? I don't know, .gov.au/beacons. So, yeah, this is it. I haven't actually opened this yet, so you guys are right here with me for the journey. Alright, so this is information about the model, which I guess I will need. Release certificate. Fantastic. And a warranty. Oh, well, that's good. I guess if I die, I can always get a new one because it didn't work. Alright, dun dun dun. There's like an unboxing. How cool is this? Alright, well, I like this case thing. Oh, and I guess that clips onto the lanyard thing so you can carry it in its case. I'm not sure if it fits in its case in the armband. I guess I can see. Dun dun dun. So, this is it, guys. This will could save my life. Hang on, there's a card thing here. What is this? Oh, has an emergency signaling mirror. Look, guys, you can see my film crew. Why has it got a hole in it? Do all emergency signaling mirrors have holes in them? I don't know. Let me know if you know. Okay. Alright, so the next question, does it fit in its case in the armband? Because this case looks good. I like this case. So, dun dun dun, second steps of the unboxing. Oops, this was a nice bag and I just ripped it. So guys, if you ever get the wristband, it's in a Ziploc bag. You don't need to pull the staples and like open it. Not sure it's going to fit in its case. Nope. Oh, let me take it out again. Just to show you guys, in case you wanted to know. I'm like treating this thing so carefully. So apparently it like flashes like a strobe light as well if you set it off. And there's like an antenna you unfold, so on and so forth. So this is the sports armband thing. You can keep it in if you want. Which, like, you know, if you were by yourself, probably wouldn't be a bad idea. Ta-da! I'm not sure this would be the most comfortablest thing for a long distance. I don't know. It's definitely worth having, that's for sure, but I think I'll keep it in this case, to be honest. I don't know, we'll see. I'll keep you updated. So when it comes to PLBs or personal locator beacons, there's like these ones, which are the actual like beacons, and then there's like satellite messenger devices. So that's like your things like your Garmin InReach and your Spot devices. They actually work on like the commercial satellite frequencies, I guess. So you have to pay a subscription for them, and also there's like an extra step in getting rescued if you get into trouble. So like they send your coordinates to the like commercial satellite, who then like send it to the emergency rescue people, whereas this only goes to emergency rescue people. So there you go. All right guys, so that is all the gear that I'm trying out this month, which is probably a fair amount, but sort of doing that transition from the warmer weather into the winter stuff. And also there was some sales, I couldn't help myself. So anyway, keep posted guys, because soon I will be starting section hiking the Hyson Trail from north to south. So keep an eye out for those videos coming soon. As always guys, keep on liking hiking.